Welcome back. Now it's time to test adding something to cart and checking out. Let me check out. I already added this meal to the cart. I added the pizza with sausage, and I'm gonna buy only one. So here one. Let me click on checkout, and now let me fill out this form. So I'm gonna fill out this form and test. So you need to fill out the complete form, because if you click on checkout without filling the form, it's not gonna work, which is amazing, because you cannot sell something to your customers without knowing where they are, because you need to deliver the food to your customers. So you need this information. Let me click on checkout, and as you can see, if you click on checkout, you will be taken to here. It's going to say payment, because we said that whenever the user clicks on checkout, it takes them to the payment page, but we did not work on the payment page yet. So don't worry about this. This is not a problem. We are going to continue working on this. But what's important now is to check whether data has been inserted in the database or not. Let me go to the database and refresh the orders table. So let me display everything. I have so many orders. Don't worry about this, because I have been testing. But for you, you might not have any. You might not have any orders, and this is the first order that is inserted. Let me check the last one. So the last one, the cost is $13.99. That's correct, and the status is not paid. That's obviously correct. And my name, email, and phone number, and city, and address. Let's check the order items. I'm gonna open the order items. Again, the order items will for you might be empty, but for me, because I have been testing, I have so many items. Let me scroll to the end. So the last, as you can see, the last order, the last item was pizza with sausage. That's correct, because I bought the pizza with sausage, and the cost is $13.99, and I bought only one. The quantity is one, so it's also correct. And also I have the date, the name, everything has been inserted in the database. So now we know how to make an order and insert data into the database.